9 health benefits of elderberry. While some berries rank highly on our list of favorite foods, others are occasionally overlooked. One such little berry that many of us don't know enough about is elderberry, and we've got plenty of reasons why you should get to know one another. In this video, we're going to talk about 9 health benefits of elderberry. Number 1. Boost immunity. According to several studies, the potent immune-boosting properties of elderberries makes it a superfood that can fight infections. The same is true of elderberry syrup, which boosts the body's antioxidant levels and aids in disease prevention. The fruit's vitamins A and C support optimum health. Additionally, elderberries provide defense against viruses that could weaken cell membranes. According to a Japanese study, it's also a fantastic treatment for the incapacitating symptoms of influenza. Number 2. Improve digestive health. Elderberries, like other fruit, are good sources of fiber and help improve digestion. It may also help with other digestive discomforts such as constipation, stomach discomfort, gas, and bloating. Number 3. Can help prevent cancer. Elderberries have been utilized successfully in the treatment of cancer across the globe. This can be due to the medicinal properties of elderberry's quercetin, which can boost the immune system and facilitate therapy. According to additional research, elderberries can also treat prostate cancer. Hedgehog signaling, a biological pathway that has been associated with cancer, is known to be inhibited by the berries. Number 4. Improve heart health. Elderberries can help control blood pressure since they are high in potassium and have a wonderful potassium to sodium ratio. They guarantee blood vessel relaxation. A diet rich in potassium is also known to lessen cardiac stress. According to studies, people who consumed adequate amount of potassium had a 49% lower risk of dying from ischemic heart disease. Are you finding this video valuable so far? Then consider hitting the like button, as that really helps the growth of our channel. Number 5. Can aid in diabetes treatment. According to reports, elderberries may lower blood sugar levels, which will help with the treatment of diabetes. Studies on this topic are scarce, so we urge you to start by speaking with your doctor. Number 6. Makes bones stronger. The berry's calcium, iron, and potassium content is proven to fortify bones and raise bone mineral density, which lowers the incidence of osteoporosis. In some circumstances, the anthocyanins in the berries may also stop bone loss. Number 7. Can promote weight loss. Elderberries have a lot of fiber, like the majority of fruits, and fiber can help with weight loss since it increases satiety. This has also been demonstrated by a German study where participants who drank elderberry juice enhanced with elderberry flower and extracts had a considerable improvement in controlling their weight. Number 8. Boost hair and skin health. Elderberries' anthocyanins, the substances that give them their distinctive red color, have been discovered to naturally improve the health of your skin. It has natural anti-aging and free radical fighting qualities. The berries are also fantastic for your hair. You can combine some of your favorite oils with some elderflower oil. Simply apply to your scalp's trouble spots. The serum may even promote hair growth while treating split ends and troublesome hairlines. Number 9. May improve eye health. Elderberries, which are high in vitamin A and B6, can protect against major eye diseases including glaucoma and macular degeneration. Elderberries' antioxidant properties can contribute to long-term vision health. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video if you found it valuable.